Alright, so I'm pretty new to C Sharp, just trying to figure out all this shit in the tutorial that I'm trying to follow. They go in here and they add a project reference, and they come in here and there's a tab called Assemblies. Well, I don't have that, and I'm trying to figure out why, and then I figure out there's like two different versions of there's like a core and then a .NET SDK. I have no fucking idea what any of that means. But if you go to here, you go to Project, Manage NuGet Packages, these are the fucking packages that you are looking for that they installed over here. So in my case, I wanted a speech synthesis one. So I typed in speech, uh, speech, and this is the one I want by Microsoft. So then I can come over here and install it, and we'll apply. And you see over here, it comes up and it shows packages. So I tried to figure this out for a long time, and I was following stuff like missing assemblies tab and reference manager dialog box. I had the latest Visual Studio Code 2019. You know, same story, trying to follow some shit, and then you see he's got this assembly shit. Couldn't find it. So once again, project manage NuGet packages. So apparently, instead of using the assemblies over here, that's like the old way of doing it, we now use the NuGet packages. Whatever, dude. I don't fucking know.